I have absolutely no idea how the first person to solve this figured it out.
R prime, P2, R, F prime.
So much memorization! Ugh. Yes! Yes! First cube solved. Not totally out of memorization. Probably like 90% of it was memorized. Yeah, I feel pretty good about it. And now I guess it's just about memorizing these algorithms, speeding it up, and then looking at more algorithms so that I can actually do it within 60 seconds in crazy conditions. And at this point, I can get the Rubik's Cube solved fairly consistently under 60 seconds. But seeing as the jump is 12 days away, I figured it would be important for me to start training in stressful situations. God damn it! 108! I have no idea if any of this stuff actually helped, but it doesn't really matter because it's jump day. So nervous! Ready! Ready! We got another half an hour to practice. We got pretty much the first 2 layers finished. I think we can do this. And that's how you solve a Rubik's Cube while skydiving.